A little more touch up on this side. I'm going to sand it down and see how shiny I can get her, and then I'm going to take a file and run a file down the edges and get a nice grooves going down the edges. I think it turned out pretty good so far. We'll see here. I think it turned out pretty good for my first attempt at copying Justin. I wanted to thank you, Justin, for the idea. Turned out pretty good, I think. That was Rita's pussy.
That was recorded too, wasn't it?
No. Yeah.